a glorious video now to show you how to make the table. There's the finished product, there's the tabletop, and then the central beam, and of course I've got trusty old Lego, which helps to stabilise things and keep things quite true. So I'm going to start off by running a little length of glue along the centre, and you can afford to be generous with this level of glue. Place this carefully in the middle. If you want to, you can measure out where the middle marks are and put it central, and then I'm going to use some of that excess glue, sneaky monkey that I am, and pop that onto the flat edge of the table legs, or the table leg band, either side. You can see there's a curved side and there's a flat side, obviously using the flat side, and again stealing some of that excess glue, popping it on the side, and this helps you to align the table legs and central strut so that it's comfortable and in position. What's the Lego for? Well, you simply pop the table on the Lego, and it's a way of making sure that the table legs are true, so I can push against it to make sure that it's staying as flat as physically possible. And you can use other pieces of wood, this is part of the coffee table, to actually push this out away from the Lego. So I'm going to get my fat left hand to take over the screen slightly so that you can see that process in motion. There it is. The advantage of doing it on Lego, of course, is that you can also pop this away in an airing cupboard or a warm place, basically where a cat might want to sit, somewhere warm and dry. Let it dry overnight, and again you can decorate it before or after. MDF adheres really well with paints. It finishes really nicely once you've keyed it, especially when you've keyed it in fact, and then you can distress it should you want to. But I'm just showing you that you can make sure that the legs standing really effectively and true using Lego and prompts. So pop that away, and you'll discover that in the morning you've got a lovely fresh table.